This is the most important tip about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it comes from Samsung. You know what's going on. The leak floodgates are wide open. The Unpacked event is coming up in just a few days. First, here are some new pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra being used. This phone has been seen a lot in the wild, but now we're also going to check out the box. There aren't many shocks though, since it looks a lot like the S23 Ultra box. You got it, just a USB-C cable is inside. Let's look at some official marketing materials from Samsung that prove and explain some important features. As a first step, the S24 Ultra has a new tool in its Notes app called Note Assist. It can recap, organize, and even translate your messy notes into neat bullet points, which will save you time and effort. Nightography Zoom, which lets you zoom in more clearly at night, will also be on the S24 Ultra. A peak brightness of 2600 nits is what Samsung is proud to say about all three S24 versions. This is a big improvement over the previous model. The S24 Ultra also has a cool feature called Circle to Search, which lets you do a Google search about the thing you circle on the screen. You don't even have to take a screenshot to use it on text, images, or movies, which is pretty cool. They also show off Live Translate, an app for your phone that quickly turns other languages into your own. What else do you need to know about all three S24 phones? The speed of charging is the same as last year, and only the Ultra model will be made of titanium. The other two S24 phones will have better armor aluminum. Also, in case you were still not sure if the S24 Ultra really does have a flat screen, Samsung is here to prove that it is. Don't forget to get your $150 either. There are not many days left. That's all you need to do to book it. Just put in your name and email address. If you decide to pre-order it, you will get a storage upgrade, $150 for the S24 Ultra, $100 for the Plus, and $75 for the S24. On the 17th, you will also get $970 worth of gifts. Next, One UI 6.1 on the S24 will have better animations. Ice Universe told us about the changes we could expect, such as higher frame rates for smoother animations, the removal of background blur effects to save power, non-linear background scaling, more noticeable elastic animations for icons, and a new UI that will make sure apps run smoothly and reliably. Also, this video of the S23 Ultra possibly having One UI 6.1 was shared by him, which I found interesting. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.